Welcome back on a little adventure from me and Teeny. Let's go! The adventure crew complete. Today we went climbing near a waterfall. For little information, I did this climb 2 times beforehand, and for Teeny it was her first time. We had like a little bit over a 1 hour drive where we totally car jammed and had a great time. Sun protection, my friend, sun protection. For everyone that hates it, me too, but it's a necessary thing. The climb is very easy. It's even easy to climb for children. I guess it's my turn. And Teeny does not know what's coming up over there. And I'm excited to show her because my friends, know it. There is this amazing part at the climb where you like cross the waterfall, which is like the main whole attraction about this whole climb. And I did not tell Teeny that this part is actually included into the climb, and she always like, oh my god, it would be so cool to cross the waterfall, and I had to keep my mouth shut and not tell her that it's actually going to happen. Now comes the part where we are going near the waterfall, and we're excited. Let's fucking go! Woo. And currently we have a little break on a bench,
Waiting casually on a bench, in a wall.
Let's go.
Wake up to the world you've been missing. Jump out of bed in the morning. No day, no love, now we're living. Can you feel it in the air that you're breathing? Time to show 'em what you're made of. Let's get back on track. Are you ready for a come on?
And there are like these viewpoints where the cold breeze and a little bit of water from the waterfall really catches you, which is absolutely amazing in summer. It was a little bit fresh for us, but I think you can see it on our faces. We had a lot of fun there, so we recommend this. We made it, and we're back in the car!
10 out of 10.
And you can take a little quick shower near the waterfall.
Yeah.
And now we're going to sip this absolutely not warm Red Bull cola. Enjoy, my friends. And drive home.
Yes.
Wow. Refreshing!
Oh wow.
Hiking and climbing season has officially started this year.
Oh yeah.
Let's go!